I have Roku. Hey Roku. Hey baby. Hey guys, so I am just home from the convention. Yay! I'm quite tired. My voice hurts a little bit from all of the blabbing and catching up with everybody. It's definitely the best part. Like the convention that we have here in New Zealand, it's just the one down in the South Island. And yeah, like it's often the same stuff, so I mostly go to see all of my friends and to catch up with, I don't know, them, and to meet new people as well. A lot of people, I don't know, that's where I meet them at Armageddon, and then we become friends, which is quite nice. So yeah, that was cool. I think we are the only country in the world at the moment that's allowed to have like really mass gatherings of people. You know, we have like music gigs back on, clearly we have the conventions back on, and sporting events. Can you tell I don't really watch those? Yeah, so I'm really lucky. I definitely feel really fortunate that I live in New Zealand and that's what's happening at the moment. You know, we don't have barely any cases and everyone's in isolation who does have it, so yeah man, I'm definitely feeling for you and the rest of the world. I know it's pretty awful, isn't it? And you know, my family lives in Argentina and I have some family in the States as well, so you know, you really have to remember how grateful you are for what you have, you know, whether it's as much as someone else or less, it's something, isn't it? So yeah. This time around I bought some things, so that's what I wanted to do now, is unbox the things I got with you. I got two mystery, this is 4. I got 2 mystery bags, so yes, we'll unbox them together. Okay, so this one is up first. Let's just get straight into it. So I bought this one for the artwork on the bag mainly. So this is it here. Oh my god, can you see how precious? So precious. Do you see them holding hands under the water? I really like it. It's really cute. And on this side, of course, it's been raining actually. Can you see the raindrops? Oh, so cute, Sasuke. So, yes, this was my cheaper bag. This one was $15 Kiwi dollars. This one wasn't meant to come with much, just with a bunch of artwork and stickers. So, this is it. Okay, let me see. Is this a mouse pad? This is, I think this is a mouse pad. And it has some marks from the rain, but those would dry. And it's actually the cutest thing ever. Do you see Sasuke and Naruto doing, oh no wait, that's their children. That's their children. Oh, cute. Okay, well they're doing little love heart hands and that's adorable. I'm super into fan art in the cuteness. That's very cute. Okay. And then aside from that, I got some posters, I guess. Ooh, it's lucky they put this in plastic because this is definitely paper. So let's see. We have the trio looking super badass. That is amazing. This is the next one. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's slipping off my lap. Cool. Cute. Yeah, this one might be my favorite. Look at that Kakashi. Oh, he looks great. He looks fab. Oh wow, this one's all of them, isn't it? All the Jinchurikis, I think. I watched Naruto, but a long time ago, and I'm bad for muddling up words and names. Ooh! Okay, well maybe, I don't want these to slip and ruin. Okay, this one could be competing with my favorites, actually. Look at this. Steamy, oh my gosh. That's a good one. Just a couple more. We have Naruto by himself. And Lucky last. Well, that was a pretty good bag. I knew it just had artwork in it. I thought there were stickers. I'm upset about the stickers. But the artwork's pretty good. I'm quite happy with all of these pieces. And sorry, I shouldn't be talking at the floor. I mean, for $15, yeah, it's okay. I wanted stickers. I thought there were stickers. I am a sticker fan though, so other people probably didn't care. Okay, so this is my second mystery bag. Now, I'm very excited for this one. This one was $30. Can we see the artwork? Yes, so we have lots of pictures. I think again it looks like lots of fan art. It's different on the back of different animes, which is really cool. Oh, there's even Harry Potter up here. Okay. Alright, so this one, there were themed bags. And so I got the Totoro themed bag. Or I guess Ghibli theme in general. Ghibli. I know it's meant to be Ghibli. It's just that doesn't come out as naturally for me. I'm trying. So yes, I got the Totoro bag possibly. And so one of the big prizes was one of two things, okay? So you either got a My Neighbor Totoro plushie or you got a no face like piggy bank. I really want the no face piggy bank because it's like the one where he's like yum 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 yum, like he has a plate, you know what I mean, and he eats up your money when you put in it. Anyways, this was $30, so yeah, let's see what I got. Okay, and this one's like hard out sealed, so I have not seen. Let's open it. To be honest, I'm glad the other one wasn't stapled shut because I really like the artwork on the other one. Oop. Oop. Here we go. Okay, should I just pull things out and not look? Oh, oh! No! Did you hear that rip? Oh, at least it ripped in the Harry Potter corner. I mean, I like Potter enough, but... Okay, okay, I think I saw something. Was it the money bank? Okay, okay. Let me put my hand in. Oh my god, okay, I don't feel a plushie, so... No way! I got... Oh, you can't even see. Hang on, hang on. Ah! Oh, I can't put this down. I got the money box! Oh my gosh. I am so lucky. What is that? Like a 50-50 chance? Oh! He's so amazing. Oh my god. I guess I put batteries in it. Bummer, I don't have any batteries. Maybe there'll be some in some remote I can steal. But let's take him out so we can look at him. Oh my god, he's so cool. So here he is, like little, feed me, feed me. And then I wonder if the action might work. Yeah, can you see? So then he'll go like, yum, 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 and eat all of the coins. Look at his mouth. Wow. I feel so lucky. I wanted him, because I have lots of Totoro plushie, and like if I got another one, I mean, I would love him, of course, but I'm so excited to have this. Ah, he looks great. I'll put him here next to Luna. Yee, cool, cool, cool. Okay, and then I wasn't sure what else is meant to come in this bag. Some artwork, and those pins are gonna ruin my outfit. This is a really nice pin. Okay, I got this pin, and it's Chihiro and no face on the train. It's like a little bit glittery. Cute, cute. I'll put this here actually. Whoa. And then also I got a little soot sprite. A little soot sprite keychain. I know words. Oh, it comes all separately. You have to put the keychain on yourself. Oh, well that's precious. I will definitely put that on one of my bags. Can you see him? Very cute. Okay, and then lucky last is some artwork. Ooh, this feels like a couple of pictures. Ooh, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, hang on, hang on. Oh, these are nice. They're kind of like vinyl-y, so they're a little bit thicker and they won't get ruined easily. So we have this classic scene. Oh, that's a beautiful picture. Oh, this one's really nice too. Right at the beginning, when he gives her something to eat so that she has to eat something from the spirit realm. That's a really cute one. Ooh, the meeting with your Baba. I forget her name. But here we go. This is the star. Look at No Face with his squishy cake. It's just as he's about to take a bite. That's so adorable. Ooh, wow. This is an interesting, sorry, wow, as I stare at my lap. This is a really interesting one. Do you see her running? And then you can see like the dragon in the water and No Face as well. It's a really unique shot. I like that. Cute. We have this one here. That's quite nice. It's kind of like an old school poster or like movie poster is what it reminds me of. Very cool. And then lucky last, Mr. No Face. Cute. That was a good haul. I got one more thing though actually. I just remembered what it was over here. So that's it for my mystery bags though. That's very exciting. I think a good score. I mean, I got the No Face, which is like the main thing that I wanted. So it's always fun when you get the item that you were like pining after. I don't know. Ooh, it makes you feel special, I think. Craig and I also got some little keychain plushies. I got Luna, of course, my fave. And Craig got this dude who apparently gets teased for looking like a sausage, which I love. His name is Patamon? Patamon, maybe? I didn't really watch Digimon, can you tell? But he's adorable. Look at his ears. And I like that everybody called him Sausage. I think that's cute. And apparently he like evolves into the most glorious being ever, so that's fabulous. So yes, we got these little keychains, which are very cute. Craig got a bunch of candy from this like local candy place. They always sell at all of our events, I suppose. This one's like extreme sour blueberry cola, and I think we got one more. And yeah, man, that was all the shopping, I suppose. Short and sweet, much kind of like the day. I was going to say much like the day. We were probably there quite a while. I was just bumming around with my friends though. That's, yeah, the funnest part. But yeah, man, that's everything. So yeah, thanks for watching, I suppose, and hopefully I'll get to see you in the next one. Bye!